Thirikari ndiratigithiria mbara ya kuhurana na itoi, uici wa mahiu na undu o wothe uria ukuruhanetie na kunyihia ugitiri bururi.
Going forward, security officers in the front line are directed to act mercilessly and thwart the work of bandits and make sure that they take down bandits and other dangerous criminals before they take down the people of Kenya, before they hurt a police officer or a law enforcement officer. The government of Kenya will stand behind any officer who uses the weapons under their control to neutralize threats posed by dangerous organized criminals. We'll gazette new areas and we are going to come down heavily and painful on all organized crimes that are terrorizing the people of Kenya.
Minista wa ugitiri wa thiini Kithure Kindiki niaugite thirikari niikugitira maafitha a borithi aria mahuthagira matharaita mao niguo kuhurana na itoi ta njira ya kurumia ugitiri. Oho, Kindiki niaugite thirikari ni iritie mbeca niguo kuongerera matharaita ma borithi ma kiriu niguo kumateithereria wira-ini wao.
This government made a commitment last year to ensure that the National Police Service acquires modern and efficient capabilities for mobility, which is protected, that our officers don't get harmed by criminals, in terms of weapons, which are effective enough to countermand and neutralize the fire of organized criminals. But also, we are in the process and advanced stage of also increasing our air capabilities, which include armored and manned aerial vehicles and also gunship helicopters. Here today, we are receiving the first consignment of MRAPs, that is the mine-resistant ambush-protected vehicles, as well as APCs. And there are also an assortment of sophisticated weapons and personal protection equipment for our officers in the front line.
Niaugire, Thirikari ihotherite makiriria ma mbirioni 7 mieri itandatu mihetoku niikuhuthira mbirioni ingi 29 mieri itatu iroka niguo kuongerera matharaita.
In total, during the past 7 months, the government of Kenya has spent 7.6 billion Kenyan shillings in the police modernization program of our equipment. Moreover, the government has committed to continue funding this program for the next 3 years. Therefore, there is another 29.4 billion shillings which will be used to acquire even more equipped, more sophisticated and more devastating to the enemy.
Kiriu Muthingi TV, Getwa Wageshi wa Washira.